Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to earn cash back with Walmart. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have your items, account, and your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and earn cash back with Walmart. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So you can earn up 3% cash back on Walmart for purchases of 2% fuel stations and 1% in Walmart stores and on grocery delivery and pickup orders. You can activate cashback rewards through the Walmart app or website. The program works similarly to cashback apps, but exclusive to Walmart Plus members. Sign up for one pay to get cashback deals or purchases made in store, online, or via the Walmart app. Use a bota to find an active cashback offers before shopping. Upload your receipt after purchase to earn cashback. And you can install the browser extension to automatically apply available cashback deals when shopping online at Walmart. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.